In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop someone from using your Netflix account. So in most cases, if you are trying to log into your account, but you're told there are too many users or your account is already in use, then it means that someone might be using your account without your knowledge. To solve this problem, you need to go ahead and stop them from doing so. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, so the easiest way to stop someone is to sign into your account, and then you can see who is watching and then remove their profile or their account. However, if you can't sign in because the account is already in use, then you need to go ahead and go to the official Netflix website and then scroll down here. Don't sign in, but head over to Help Center. Now on the Help Center, head over to Fix a Problem, and this is account issue. So click on account issue here, then choose the third option. Netflix says account is already in use, and then tap on it. So there are quite a number of steps to take here if there are too many people using your account, or your Netflix account is in use on another device, or your Netflix account is in use on too many devices. Head down here to stop someone from using your account. So if you want to stop your account from being used, go ahead and click on this, and this will redirect you on how to stop someone from using your Netflix account. You're told if someone is using your account without permission, do the following to prevent further use. 1, you can change your password. Here it is recommended you choose or set a strong password of at least 8 characters long. And having a password manager can make it easier to keep track of your unique passwords. Number 2, you can sign out of devices you don't recognize. To do this, you'll need first to be able to sign in and then go to settings to sign out of all the other devices. However, you have to note that signing out of all devices will remove all devices connected to your account. You will need to sign in again with your new password on any devices you wish to use. And third, you can see here we have recommendations on how to keep your accounts secure. Now, let me show you how you can sign out of all devices. First, you need to go ahead and sign into your account if you are able. If you're not able, you need to go ahead and wait until you are able to sign into your account. So let me sign into mine and then choose your account. Once you have chosen your account, head over to your profile here and go to account, and then go to devices here, and here you'll be able to see this option called under devices, access and devices. If you click on this, you'll see all the devices that are logged in or are signed into your Netflix account. So if you don't recognize any of these devices, go ahead and just click under it and then choose sign out. If you want to remove all the devices, you can choose sign out of all devices. So that's how you can stop someone from using your account on Netflix. So if you have any other questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.